The Catco instrument gas heater is designed for outdoor conditions. However, things like high winds, driving rain, heavy snowfall, and even dust storms common to a lot of places in the US can really damage an instrument gas heater. So to protect an instrument gas heater from those sorts of weather conditions, something like a weather cover might be useful in your area. The weather cover is designed to be mounted on top of your instrument gas heater to give it an added layer of protection, shielding it from those winds, that snow, the rain, and the dust, keeping that heater running for longer, protecting and heating your application so that you have less downtime and more security and reliability in your application. If you have instrument gas heaters out in the field in any sort of extreme weather conditions, feel free to call us or come visit our website so we can get you some information and get you a weather cover to protect your equipment out in the field as soon as possible.